The sound k is very difficult when it comes at the end of the word. Why? Because when we say the sound k, it doesn't represent only one letter. There is CK that represents k. There is K, k, and C, k. So how to differentiate between them? It's so difficult, isn't it? So let me tell you. So when we have a vowel in front of k, just as back, b-ak, back, so there is CK we use. And when it's sick, then the sound is ik, sick. Then also it's CK. So whenever there is a vowel in front of the k, then you have to write CK. Just remember that, okay? And when there is a consonant before k, like book, book, b-u-k, book, there is a o-o, right? So it's K. And milk, m-i-l-k, milk. So there is L in front of the K, isn't it? So we have to write K.